This is the M.Way Key Switch Tester. It comes with one green razor switch, 4 Gateron switches, blue, brown, black, and red, 4 Kale switches, blue, brown, black, and red, 4 Greetex switches, blue, brown, black, and red, and 4 Cherry Amix, blue, brown, black, and red, along with the frame and a set of keycaps. The frame is aluminum and has a sandblasted finish, so it feels very solid and very premium. And of course has all the cutouts for your key switches. And on the back side, there's actually 4 rubber feet in each corner to prevent it from scratching any surfaces. Overall, pretty good quality. As for the switches themselves, well, they're the same quality as any of the switches from their own respective brands. As for the keycaps, they're actually surprisingly good. I've actually paid for worse, so I'm impressed. And on to how it performs as a key switch tester. Well, I gotta say that it is nice and solid, and it doesn't shake, it doesn't move, it doesn't slide on the table, and it holds the key switches in place and just feels solid. It gives you a nice, good platform to test different types of switches. And that's really all there is to a key switch tester. So I gotta say that it is pretty darn good. Finally, for the price and value, is it worth the $25 Canadian that I paid? I'm hesitant to say so because for most people, you probably won't use this much. If that's the case, I feel like the better option is to visit a local computer hardware store that has keyboard demos. That way you can try out a bunch of keyboards with a bunch of different switches without spending a cent, and use that $25 on the keyboard you buy. On the other hand, if you're a hobbyist that likes to collect mechanical keyboard stuff, then I think this is a fantastic piece to add to your collection. It is nice and solid and definitely worth the $25.